The next thing up is not the GoPro. So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are unboxing our GoPro and its accessories. So we'll let you know the price and all in the description and on the screen too. So first here we have the GoPro mic that I bought it. This is the name of this Mono lavalier microphone. So let's unbox it. So the first thing over here is the, what is one?
अबे साले
I don't know what. The aux. The aux for the camera. For the bigger aux port. This is the main thing for which we bought this mic. Very important for GoPro. For else no use. And here we have the mic. This is the collar mic. So this is, as you said, the collar mic. So I'll put this in my helmet, like round.
कुछ भी
As everyone do it. There's my, you can see this thing. And a collar clip as well. So here we go on the next product. No, there's one more thing inside. One more collar clip. So now we have the GoPro mic adapter. This is the smallest and the costliest thing. You can use it till Hero 8 Black, sorry, and the below ones. You cannot use for Hero 9 Black, and we have paid a lot for this with 5,000 rupees. 5,000? 4,000? 415k.
Yeah, 415.
Very costly.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा
GoPro, because the name of the product is GoPro, that's why this cost.
Actually, many people they buy some local adapters and they have to change it again and again. They have to go shop buy new again. So
Bought everything original so that it will work perfectly, and we did not want to use fake things. That's why we bought here. I don't seem it's good. The packaging is not good. I don't like the packaging.
ये तो टट्टी है
Like unbox. This small thing, guys. GoPro mic adapter.
here is the USB port
And the
and
aux
here's the
for
mic.
mic.
So this part over here, it's made up of rubber. It does not damage the helmets and gives any scratches to the helmet. It's good and it has a nice grip for helmet. So it's totally safe.
Yeah, I didn't bought this because as I told you, I did not want to use the glue and 3M tape. If I use that, the helmet looks goes. That's why I bought this thing. And you can also buy it. I'll give the link in the description. And this is the tag given with it. And this is the mount and the screw.
It's GoPro here.
Yeah. So the next thing we have here, the big box. Like we have many things inside this. I'll let you know. Dun, dun, dun. All the GoPro accessories, like this is the GoPro tripod.
This is when we go for some trekking or underwater. This is meant for underwater.
For the grip, you hold it like.
So the next thing in the box is the chest band. Many people use this. It's good for when you go trekking.
Put your GoPro here and you can track or motovlog, whatever you want, like normal vlogging.
Visualize.
So I'll wear you and show. Do you want me to wear? Yes in the comment or no? Okay, wear. How do we wear this?
No.
Flop.
काफी डिफिकल्ट कोर्स है, काफी कम स्टूडेंट कर पाए।
You have to be very intelligent.
So guys, as you can see,
Here.
the GoPro fits here and like it's nice grip. I like it. It's nice.
It's fit for him. Or you can loosen it up from here and behind also. So next up we have the headband over here. So as you can see, they have given grips to support the head all over the band. Now he'll wear it and show you.
You had last one.
No, he or the trial body.
Trial version.
Our model for today.
It's tight. I have to loosen it.
Loosen it.
It's like this. Oh my god. Next we have the another selfie stand type for the GoPro. Like this gives us like a 360 angle. Like it's flying beast. Everyone uses this.
Selfie man Lilias.
お前はもう死んでいる。何
Abhi wo Dinchak Puja will give us copyright.
Oh shit.
I should wait for the sound.
As if we have 1 million subscribers and he'll see
So
copyright.
long. Ashish, I want a reaction to those who click on G.
TOG?
GG.
GG?
I want a reaction. So big one.
So next up we have the wristband.
Like I'm not able to understand like one GoPro, like how many shots a guy can give it. Headband, like my.
It's good they are giving so many products in a box. I like the thing. I don't know.
Oh, Chulta.
Oh, you have to wear it like this.
So
So now Ben 10 watch, sorry, the GoPro wristband mount. Like you can place your GoPro here and vlog like this. Ben 10. And
like when we run it's best. So the next thing here, it is the cap clip or the helmet clip. Like we can put here, and the GoPro will come here. Actually, like I am shocked. Like in some 1,500 rupees, they gave everything.
yeah, the small
Everything they
the
give.
big things are small thing. Everything in the box. You can get that. It's very cheap, guys.
Okay. So,
So
guys,
this, you say.
so guys, now we have our tripod here. Boy. So as we
The brother of
clip.
my assistant.
Oh, assistant. As in my foot. Here you can see the line. It's stable and it's so tight that it won't even come out. It won't.
I'm just calling to say,
Thank you very much. Okay, so next up we have
Everything's done like the small tricks are
shit.
small tricks. I'm still not able to get what is this?
Me too. Oh, okay. This is the handlebar for the bike. Handle mount.
Oh wow!
You lose it up here and open.
Lose it up more. Oh, lose it up more.
We don't have a bar right now, so let me show you like this.
Oh, this is so amazing. Like now you guys will see the best clips, best vlogs. By trust me. Best motor vlogs. Like we'll give you all the shots.
Yeah, by me.
By you. At 150 रुपए देगा. Everything is done. Just a small mounts in this.
Like many mounts for this. We have 2 mounts like this. For if one gets lost, we have another one.
Yeah, they also give us extra mounts.
Yeah,
Like
another 2 same mounts for the tripod. And what is this?
No.
I do not know. And what's left? Okay. So the next thing up
It's not the GoPro. We have the Ulanzi GoPro 8 Block G8. It's for GoPro 8 and GoPro 9.
So please watch it. If you want to get this, please take from the description I give. If you don't, there's many fake things you can, and you'll not get the same for GoPro 8. You'll get for GoPro 7, not GoPro 8. The only one product from Ulanzi it comes. They launched it last month.
So
Dun, dun, dun. I bought this thing only for the GoPro mic adapter. They have given a short place for the GoPro mic adapter. Like people you stick the GoPro mic adapter on the helmet. Because of that I bought this thing. That doesn't destroy my helmet's look. That's why I bought this. As you can see.
and here we have the lens curve for the GoPro.
Yeah.
You can see.
And
So-
some stickers.
which is going to stick on his bike.
No, I'm not gonna stick on my bike, idiot.
No, you
No.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
I won't.
screen.
No. So the barcode given to email or tell us the review. Tell them the review for the
Now, the most
awaited
thing
in the video
is
GoPro Hero 8.
yeah, boy. Finally, it's here.
I was waiting
Yeah.
for this for a long time. Like, thanks you so much, Daddy.
Thank you, Uncle.
Like we unboxed it before, that's why.
The screen. So next up we have the manual.
Warranty card.
Boy warranty.
Two minutes.
No.
Okay. Oh. Hey. Kare.
Dude, actually I like the.
That's the GoPro, dude.
So, I like the packing of the box. Like,
Yeah, it's
so
like
nice.
plastic over here, and then
Smell.
I like it. I like it.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है. ऐसे ही पोलियो की खुराक न लेने से पोलियो आपके बच्चे को पकड़ सकता है.
This is the Hyper Smooth 2.0 GoPro Hero 8. It is 12 MP 4K 60 video quality, 8x slow motion, Hyper Smooth 2.0, Time Wrap 2.0, like 1080p live streaming, live burst, super photo plus HDR, raw video and 360, and there are 3 mics in the GoPro, and it's touch, it has GPS and 50 feet waterproof.
It can go deep in water till
35 feet.
so in the box we have the GoPro charger.
C-type.
C-type.
And,
what is this one?
and this is the helmet mount with 3M tape behind.
And here,
But I won't use this thing, as I bought this for the helmet.
and here we have the GoPro.
GoPro stickers! I'm gonna use on my helmet, dude, on my bike, on my tank.
No,
Look.
sitting on the side of the bike.
Sex.
And we have the use of again one more one looking for.
Hey.
No, this is the warranty.
Oh, this is the life warranty. Oh, अंदर रख रहे. Have questions?
No.
No? Okay. Bye.
So, finally, now
We show
Have
you the
the
GoPro Hero 8 Black. So let's on this thing.
That actually has no charge in it. So at the end of the video, we'll give you some GoPro clips and
Yeah.
we will end this vlog with GoPro Hero 8. Or not we.
We can't do. We don't have SD card.
Oh yeah, shit.
I forgot to buy a SD card, people. So here we have the charging port. Here. See, now I'll open it and show you.
Totally black matte. So good.
So here's the battery. We have already put it inside. I'll show you guys. The GoPro battery.
Small.
Small, but it's very hard. And there's a cable port. Charge. And this is the closing.